In this video, we are going to see simple present, past and future tenses. Tenses are different verb forms. Tenses of a verb tell us the time when the action takes place. There are three kinds of tenses in English. They are present, past and future tenses. Now see these example sentences of simple present tense. Priya writes well. Here, Priya is a noun. In a sentence, if you see a noun like name of a person, place, animal, thing, and then third person singular like he, she, it, means verb should be plural. Here, Priya is a noun and action verb should be in plural. In this, writes is the action verb. And then second sentence, I go to school. In this sentence, go is the action verb which talk about what's happening right now. Third sentence, boys play football. In this sentence, boys is in plural noun. So, action verb should be in singular. Here, play is the action verb. Boys play football. Words write, go, play till the action is happening now. They are in the present tense. The action is still going on at the time of speaking. And then next we'll see example sentences of past tense. Sarita sang very sweetly. Here, sang is the past tense of sing. Second sentence, they crossed the river by boat. Cross is the word of action which is changed into past tense, just adding ed with the word. See this sentence? The aeroplane flew in the air. In this sentence, flew is the past tense of action word fly. Words sang, crossed, flew till the action happened before. They are in the past tense. The action was over at the time of speaking. Now let's see future tense with this conversation.
We will go for a picnic tomorrow.
Mom, I will meet my friend this afternoon.
Dad, I will play football after school today.
Words will go, will meet, will play till the action will happen later. They are in the future tense. The action has not happened and will happen in the future. Now it's your turn to guess the answers for these sentences. Identify their tenses. Rohit jumps from the wall. Rohit is a singular noun and then action verb is jumps. It is in plural form. This sentence is present tense. And then second sentence, Raju will take his lunch. In this sentence, you will see the word will. That means it is future tense. Third sentence, farmers work in the fields. Here, noun. It is in plural form. And then action word is in singular form. So it is present tense. Fourth one, Mona wrote well. Wrote is the past tense of write. It is past tense. Fifth sentence, the fox jumped out of the well. Here, jump is the action word, which is ended with ed. So, this sentence is past tense. Sixth one, he will win the first prize. In this sentence, you will see the word will. So, it is future tense. I hope you all understood this. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you.